What are
Mhm.
some of the lessons that you've learned about course creation and using the digital medium to mirror or complement the book?
Well, I think the first thing is the process that CourseCREEK utilizes is a lot like writing an outline for a book and getting the structure about what you want to communicate and how you want to communicate it. I think that's been one of the best parts about it. And learning, I think for me, I'm going to speak for me personally, investing a little bit more time on the outline would have paid a lot more dividends. There were some struggles that happened on my part because I didn't put enough time into really building the outline like I did on my book. I was relying too much on the book's outline and not the course outline, and they're different.
Yeah, right. Yeah, different mediums. It's specifically referring to the instructional design and your storyboard and the work that we did together on the curriculum.
That's right.
Yeah,
When I look to hire you and develop my course content, how could I be present with more people, have an ability to be a positive influence on them
yeah,
without having to be physically present in the meeting because I'm the limiting my ability to be someplace is my limiting factor.
hmm,
And so understanding how to leverage my time, leverage the ability to communicate that, I hired CourseCREEK to help me develop my online learning platforms.
yeah, yeah. Right, to get the scalability. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
No, no, it makes total sense. It makes perfect sense. And I've been with you every step of the way in that decision. It's been a good relationship, really. Like I've really enjoyed
I agree.
working with you on different levels.